Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Among Us. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on My Account option. Now click on Account option. And here you can see Change Name option. Tap on it. Here you can remove the previous name and type in a new one. Or you can simply tap on the icon with two arrows and different names will appear automatically. After you've selected your name, tap on the confirm button. And that is how you can change your name on Among Us. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.